Om Ji, Radhe Radhe, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about MA Yoga Sign UGC NET syllabus. The one who are interested in clearing UGC NET JAS exam in the field of yoga, they can go through my video and learn about the basic introduction of the syllabus of UGC NET yoga. So basically हमारे UGC NET में दो पेपर होते हैं, पेपर 1 and पेपर 2. Okay, paper 1 is common for all subject, but our main subject is my domain subject is yoga. So you will going to see the content related to yoga field. Okay, if you are into field of yoga and want to clear UGC NET JRF exam, go ahead and keep watching this video because this is the introduction of the syllabus of a UGC NET JRF yoga. Okay, let's start. And one more thing, I just recently cleared my UGC NET exam and I'm also preparing for JRF in coming December wala attempt. Let's start. So basically we have 10 units in our syllabus. The one is, so we will go through the like upper se. For brief video I will upload later. First go through a basic introduction, okay, and for the brief video, go to my channel and subscribe, like और प्यार दो थोड़ा थोड़ा अच्छे कंटेंट का. Okay, so one first unit we have fundamentals of yoga. ठीक है, fundamentals of yoga जिसमें we have to study history and various schools of yoga. Second, we have Principal Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita and Yoga Verses, in which we have to cover 10 Mukhya Upanishad, which is Isavash Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundak Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya, Brihadaranyaka. हमें ये 10 उपनिषद पढ़ने हैं. Then we have to study Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapters of Bhagavad Gita, Arjun Visad Yoga to Moksha Nyas Yoga. Then we have Yoga Vasist, okay, and we have 6 chapters in Yoga Vasist. Then third unit we have again Upanishad, but these are Yoga Upanishad, main Yoga Upanishad, and there are total 8 Yoga Upanishad in our UGC NET syllabus. श्वेतासुर उपनिषद, योग कुंडलिनी उपनिषद, योग चूड़ामणि उपनिषद, ऋषिकी ब्रह्मण उपनिषद, योग तत्व उपनिषद, ध्यान बिंदु उपनिषद, नाद बिंदु उपनिषद, योगराज उपनिषद. Then unit 4th we have Patanjali Yoga Sutra, in which we have to cover 4 parts: Samadhi, Sadhana, Vibhuti and Kaivalya. Okay. Unit 5th we have Hatha Yoga text. In Hatha Yoga text we have to study 8 Hatha Yoga texts. Okay, which is Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Gherana Samhita, Hatha Ratnavali, Siddhanta Pariti, Goraksh Samhita, Yog Bij, Vasishtha Samhita or Shiv Samhita. These are your 8 Hatha Yoga texts. Unit 6 we have General Psychology, in which we have to study stages of sleep disorder, and then personality, nature and types of personality. Then we have in unit 6 itself human anatomy and physiology, in which we have to cover musculoskeletal system. We have to study skeleton, types of skeletal system, axial, appendicular, bones. Okay, then we have to study nervous system, glands, cardiovascular, respiratory system and all. Diet and nutrition we have to study in unit 6. Unit 7 we have yoga and health, in which we have to cover definition of WHO, okay, Panch Mahabhut, Panch Pran, okay, and then we have to study about yogic diet, ahar, mitihar, Vat, Pitta, Kapha also, Apat and Pat. Unit 8 we have therapeutic yoga, in particular type of disorder, what kind of yoga, what kind of asana, what kind of pranayam you can prefer. And we have to cover respiratory disorders, cardiovascular disorder, endocrine metabolic disorder, obstetric and gynecological menstrual disorder, gastrointestinal disorders, musculoskeletal disorders, neurologic and psychiatric. Unit 9 we have applied philosophy, teaching methodology in yoga, types of teaching method according to Kaivalya Dham book. Okay, unit 10 we have practical yoga, in which we have to study Satkaram, Asana, Pranayam, Mudra, Dhyan, Surya Namaskar, technique and silent features and benefits. And we also have to cover, see the asanas, prone postures, supine postures, pet ke bal, kamal ke bal, sthirta wale asana, balancing pose. Okay, then we have to study practice leading to meditation like pranavan, soham jap, yog nidra, antarmon, ajapa jap, and vipassana meditation, pariksha meditation. Vipassana is by Buddhism and pariksha is by Jainism. And we have to study about the yogic shukshvyams by Swami Dhirendra Brahmachari, cyclic meditation as Vyasa, Yog Nidra Bihar School of Yoga and Savita Ki Dhyan Dharana, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya, Haridwar. This is a general introduction of yoga subject. Okay, for more we will make a video in coming videos. Okay, so just go through this video, and if this video is helpful for you, comment And if you need more content related to yoga field, you can comment me. Just give your love, support, and blessings. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Om Ji. Radhe Radhe. Signing off.